everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Homegrown methi. This is for my backyard. Let me show you how I grow my methi. These are methi seeds we call the fenugreek. So these are fenugreek seeds, and this is the area I had prepared. And as always, whenever I try to do something, my inspector is here. Cheru, stop bothering. Don't break my trees. Don't break it. Okay. You're a good boy. Okay, go back. So this is the area. It's all prepared, and he already put the paws in there. Now I'm going to make sure that it's even. I love methi. Now I'm going to sprinkle the seeds, and then we're going to add the potting soil. So just sprinkle like this. I have two kind of fenugreek seed. These are bigger one, and then I have a small one. If there is any rocks, take those out. So once we are done like this, with the help of rake, just move like this. Just as you see the seeds, they go underneath. That's all we need. So this is you do it. So just we are making sure that the seeds they go underneath. See, you can see the seeds are still showing up. So once we're going to put the potting soil, that we're going to sprinkle the layer of potting soil on top of it. Some of these goes inside the dirt and some stays on top, but we're going to cover with the potting soil. So just a sprinkle like this, thin layer, or you can use a rake. You can do that too, like this. Just a thin layer, thin coating. We're going to make sure that it's nicely covered, all the seeds, just like this. This is the all natural garden soil for flowers, vegetable, and this is organic, and this is what I'm using it right now. So just making sure just make sure that you put a nice layer of potting soil. So I'm going to finish up the same way. Now the next step will be make sure that it's nicely wet. If the weather is hot, then try to do it 2 to 3 times a day. It's very important when you water these, don't use no pressure. I'm using on a mist. You see, this is mist. The whole bed looks really nice. So whenever you water, please make sure that you use like a mist. Very soft spray. Today is the 8th day. The methi, the fenugreek. Today is the first day. Let's start to water slowly. The first week I water it by using mist, but today lightly spray it. This is homegrown methi, fenugreek leaves. Look at this. As you've seen it, how I planted the seeds and how fast it has grown, and it's grown beautiful. And this methi, you cut it anytime, the freshness is there, and you enjoy your vegetable. It's grown beautiful. I haven't watered today because I wanted to cut it. After cutting, it's going to grow back again. And especially having a fresh methi in your backyard, that's a blessing. So I love it. So you just grab it from the bottom, just like this. You can use a knife or kitchen scissors. And look at these. Perfect. This is no chemical added, fresh, homegrown, organic methi. So you've seen it, it's very easy to grow from seed to methi. And if you found this video to be helpful, like always, like, share and subscribe my channel. So now this methi, the more you cut it, the more it's going to grow back. So only one tip I wanted to share with you: the day you want to cut it, like a day or so, don't water the plant. Please share your comment below how it turned out for you when you grow the seed. Please share in the comment how it turned out for you. So good luck to everyone out there, and thank you for watching Easy Stuff. Bye bye.